Hi, Paula Jo from Cedar Quilts. We talked about a basic area using record and mark to draw the lines. How you can use the record to get the movement for faster.
Learn to quickly memorize an entire throat space as a layer.
The fourth method, which
Creative areas for perfect modification.
this is really going to help you step up your game if you want to be doing custom work, mainly with Pro Stitcher. Now, some of this might seem like, oh my goodness, it's so much work. Just think how much work we go into picking our fabric, stitch a few blocks before you get everything just right. And so just like there are different steps and layers to being a really good piecer, if you want to be a really good custom quilter, there are a few things and a few tricks that will be worth the extra effort. When we create a pink box of an area, the computer makes a perfectly square, perfectly 90-degree angle box. And that's what they usually teach us to do, is to make a perfectly square block or rectangle for our area.
There's no bias here. Paula Jo provides long arm quilting classes via online video starting at $10 and live remote personal tutoring starting at $15 for 15 minutes to both newbie and veteran quilters. Pro Stitcher training and free motion, giving you the confidence and skills you need to go from wonky to wow. See you soon. Toodaloo.